Write to Excel in Ultorg 1.9. I'll show you a useful technique. Often, if you're working with some large external relational database, often read-only, it is useful to be able to supplement that data with some data of your own that you provide in an Excel sheet. So I have here in Ultorg a database of products and orders. I've set up some formulas to find the total revenues per products, and I thought it would be useful to combine this data with an Excel sheet that I've prepared that contains some proposed pricing adjustments. And it's just a few columns, a column of product IDs and a column of adjustments. I'll start with just two adjustments here. And what I did was I added that sheet as a data source in Ultorg, and then I used the custom join function in Ultorg to join the products table in the big database with the product ID in the Excel sheet, so that I brought in these price adjustment multipliers that I could then use to multiply with the unit price here. And then I did the totals for both revenues with and without the proposed changes. Then I did the same down here with starting from employees, so you can sort of see the revenue totals for each salesperson. And then the neat thing is with this write to Excel feature is I can actually go in here and I can change these numbers from Ultorg, writing the changes back to the Excel sheet and seeing the updated effect on the whole query. So if I go in and I change some more of these proposed pricing adjustment multipliers, you will see in Excel here, this original Excel sheet, those changes will have been written back here.